Hello, Mila. How are you? Oh. Is that good, huh? Oh, so happy. So happy. Oh. Oh. Too close. Too close, Daddy. Kegs.
Hi, Kegs. Don't you move. Don't you move. Don't do it. You did it. What do you think?
You're so crazy, Dad. Why don't you just turn off the camera? I'm so cute. Leave me alone.
Dad, what are you doing? Leave me alone.
Yeah, Dad. Turn off the damn camera. Oops, I cussed. Turn it off.
Yeah. Leave us alone. We just want to chew. I'm not gonna move. I'm not gonna do it. Don't do it.
I'm so depressed. Keep stuffing cameras in my face. Jeez. Why? Leave me alone. Ugh. Don't even have makeup on. Sheesh.
Yeah. Gosh. Look at my head. It's bald. I mean, really. Get me from a better angle. Okay. Alright, Coco. I'll get you from your best angle. Is that better? Can't even tell that you're bald now. Totally good. Yeah. Thanks, Dad. That's totally cool. I'm like Jumbo Man now. Thanks, man. Bye-bye.
Can I get some makeup here, please? Makeup! I need makeup! Now! You! Give me some makeup! Where's that tall furry one? Jeez! Where's the dog? Where's that big mommy? Somebody's gotta give me some makeup! Now! I can't handle this!
Yeah. Brutal. Stop it.
Please! For the love of humanity! Fine.
I'm just gonna sit here and chew my box. Yeah. Totally.
Why would you turn off the dang camera? Sheesh! Turn it off.
Yeah, Dad. Turn it off.